I do not have a tape to test this further. It seems to be working, but there's a vertical hold thing on it. You get this power supply, so you don't really need a battery if you're going to transfer tapes. You won't need a battery. Everything you need is here to transfer tapes. It's got a screw on it. It's got to be a place to plug in cables. I don't know if you plug in cables or if you put the tape in something else. I don't know. I recommend looking it up on YouTube or the internet to find a manual.